Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to get to the Lamenters Gaol from the Altar of Dragon Communion that's over here in the Dragon Peaks area of the DLC. So you want to start over here, and then we're going to hop onto the giant petrified corpse of this big dragon. We're going to hop off his butt up to this red area, which is just above the Cerulean coast, and we're going to follow it along to the Lamenters Gaol. Now, I will kind of give you a heads up right now. Along the way, in this big open pond area, there is a little bit of a boss fight. There will be a grave bird that you need to deal with, so just go ahead and kill it. If you're not sure how to get to the Dragon Peaks area, you're going to want to come down here from before you fight Rolana, do the Dragon Pit dungeon, and then go across this little walkway, and then come straight down, and that's how you get to the Dragon Altar, where the Dragon Priestess lady has her quest. So you can also talk to her while you're here. So once you're ready, just hop on your horse when you're down here by the Dragon Altar, and then head on up to the giant petrified corpse of this dragon, and where you want to go is over here next to the giant petrified foot, and hop down from around where the dragon's butt is. And then you'll notice that the color of the flowers up here is red, as opposed to the cerulean blue of the coast. And then you'll follow this around, just kind of following the waterways. It'll be full of lots of turtles labeled as dogs. Don't forget to grab all the goodies here. There's a lot of different, like, cookbooks and grave warts that you can grab. And then you'll just want to follow the waterways. I mean, there's really only one pathway for you to go. It's not like there's a snaking bunch of areas. There's either the pathway, or you have to hop down in a number of different places where the drop may or may not kill you. So just keep an eye out for any goodies that you might be able to grab, and then, yeah. There's also a few, like, undead that are around here. This is like a graveyard area, but I wouldn't worry too much about those. Along the way, there is a grace. The grace is just before the archway that leads to this pond area I mentioned that has a grave bird in it that you'll have to fight. This fight's not terrible. I mean, grave bird fights in general, in my opinion, especially when you're a ranged caster, aren't that bad. The thing that makes it a little bit awkward is the fact that there's all these other death bird statues that wake up and try to kill you while you're fighting the grave bird. But if you just dance around and avoid them, the grave bird should kill all of them for you, and you can just deal with it at range. The Lamenters Gaol, if you follow from that boss arena down the river, the Lamenters Gaol is off on your right along the cliffside. On the left side, up the other little hill that you can climb, is another fire golem that you have to fight, one of those furnace golems, for the various components to your Flask of Wondrous Physique. That's one of the armored ones. You'll have to go up and hit it with bombs if you want to kill it. So here's the Lamenters Gaol. Grab that grace and enjoy the dungeon. I hope this was helpful for helping you find your way. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.